All of the lecturers are very engaging and energetic, and you can tell they're very passionate about what they're lecturing on, so it's quite enjoyable to listen to them.
I think that they've just had such an abundance of experience and information to provide. I would actually really like to hear more from them.
UN and creatinine okay, lipase, LFT, spine. You even think he's got peritoneal signs maybe.
A lot of these skills and things that you learn from the lectures and hands-on workshops can be very helpful. A lot of the out-of-the-box thinking of what you can utilize and the resources that you have. And also, you know, if you're going on expeditions or even just hiking with family members, being able to use some of the things that you're learning here to help if needed, I think would be really beneficial. So I definitely recommend the conference.
I think what I enjoyed the most so far was the workshop where we did some hands-on kind of wilderness and urban survival techniques, learning how to navigate and make shelters and weave a rope out of grass. It was great.
Being able to do things outside of the conference because they're just half days, that's, you know, a lot of fun.
Going on hikes and doing some of the water activities and kayaking and whatnot has also been very fun for me to do. My family happened to come with us on this trip, so spending a lot of time with them has been really enjoyable.